In this video, we're going to talk about how to load the caregiver-assisted sock aid with a compression sock. To load the sock aid, you're going to want the ridged part down at the bottom. This is going to be the part that goes towards the patient when you put the sock on. You'll stretch the sock around the sock aid and slide it down as far as you can, trying to keep the heel towards the rounded side of the sock aid. When the sock is on the sock aid, as demonstrated, it's ready to go on the patient. To place the sock onto the patient, you're going to guide their toes into the sock aid until you can see their toes kind of poking out in the front. You'll lift their heel and slide the sock until the sock aid is completely free from the sock.